Jeffree Star has just moved into a $14.6 million mansion. Must be nice. But he has also had to deal with fans showing up to the gated community to take photos of him. But Jeffree didn't only have to tell fans to stay away. He also said that he's living with an armed security guard at all times. I'm gonna tell you why that seems to be a bit of a problem here for you on IO. What is good? You're watching InformOverload. I'm Charlotte Dobre. On this channel, we tell you about the biggest news stories currently trending, and we also keep you entertained with saucy top 10 lists. You like that, eh? We love to get saucy here on IO. So subscribe and follow us on social media so we can connect outside of YouTube. Alright, so if you are following Jeffree Star on social media, you know that he just moved into a massive new mansion in a gated community. He's been there for only 2 days and he's already experienced instances of people driving by his home and taking photos of him and his family. Which is kind of annoying. I mean, he moved there to get some privacy. So Jeffree Star went on Instagram stories, as he usually does, and said, I quote, "Now listen, if you're watching this and you live in the area, girl, my dogs hear everything. Please don't drive by my house. Please don't take pictures from outside the gate, sweetie." Why do I just get the feeling that that sweetie is not like a, oh sweetie, it's like a sweetie. He continued, "My assistant is moving in with us. We have 2 bodyguards. One of them will be living here on site, which he is here right now. High armed and ready, Miss Thing." That's scary. This actually isn't the first time Jeffree Star has mentioned his armed guards. In the first episode of the most recent docuseries with Shane Dawson, Jeffree asks Shane, "Are you afraid of being killed? Just for the record, my bodyguards are always armed, including right now. So on the 1% chance, they shoot to kill." I mean, I get that telling your fans that you live with an armed security guard might make people not want to show up to your house, but some people are saying that he's also kind of like indirectly threatening his fans for taking like a couple of pictures. Come on man, the only people that are gonna get inside that gated community are rich people that live in that community. I don't doubt that Jeffree needs a bodyguard to feel safe, by the way. But anyways, let's see what people have to say about Jeffree's remarks on Twitter. Isn't it cool how Jeffree Star has bodyguards who are armed at all times that in his own words shoot to kill, and by cool I mean up. No shade, but Jeffree Star's armed bodyguards that guards the vault must be bored AF all day. Is he allowed to play on his phone at least? Yeah, he probably doesn't really do much, does he? I hope he's allowed to play on his phone. I find it so comforting that any given moment there's an armed security guard outside Jeffree Star's closet. I'm sure Jeffree finds it comforting too. How do you feel about Jeffree always talking about his armed security guards? Let me know down in the comments. While you do that, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Andres Rodriguez said, "Geez, you are dumb. I see why your boyfriend needs a break from you." Says the guy that can't spell boyfriend. Word of advice, if you're gonna tell somebody that they're dumb, at least make sure that you spell correctly. Kinda defeats the purpose of telling someone that they're dumber than you. Olive Killer said, "Charlotte, you really are an intelligent potato." Okay, so which is it? Am I dumb or am I intelligent potato? You people are so confusing. Faye said, "Oh no, Charlotte, don't go." Guys, I'm taking a 1-week vacation and I will still be in videos. You don't even know how badly I need a vacation right now. If you don't get it, I'm probably gonna fall asleep after this video. That is it for me. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want more, and I'm gonna see you next time.